get this on. Hello, my name is Eduardo. I'm co-founder and CTO of FLUIX LLC. We design and manufacture liquid cooling hardware for PC gamers and enthusiasts. And today I want to show you, our future stakeholders, the forge. That's how we call our manufacturing facility. So, let's go. Okay, so this is our Pinacho manual lathe. It is used to cut and shape parts at our liking for the FLUIX wall station frame. Over here we have our Deuce and CNC lathe. We use this to automate the process of making our FLUIX fittings. And finally, this is our half vertical machining center. It is used to cut aluminum to make the world's first multi-inlet water block. We call that the tri-swift. Hello again. In the last scene, I just showed you the three main machines that we have in our manufacturing facility, or as we like to call it, the forge. But there is something I forgot to tell you, and it is the fact that we have a 2,000 square feet manufacturing space on a 32,000 square feet property. So we have a lot of space to grow and to mass produce our products. We are looking for investors to help us in our vision to build the next generation liquid cooling PC hardware for PC gamers and enthusiasts. So if you are interested, please reach out to us and be part of our journey.